Ladies and gentlemen, for the comfort of all of our guests and travelers and cruise riders, this snorkeling is not permitted while on land and is permitted only in designated areas. Thank you. We welcome the comfort of all securely, making sure nothing gets in the way of our system. Please remove your hands when the ride attendant checks on you. Keep your hands, arms, and legs inside the truck at all times. Hold on for that bar.
There we go. Woo! Wait, what? What? Okay, you may be wondering why the ride came to a stop. Did it have technical problems with the ride? No, the ride was operating normal. But the reason the ride came to a halt stop because when we hit the first launch, one of the operators in the operating booth caught someone took their phone out after the first launch we hit. So that's the reason why we went up and then we kind of slowly came to a halt stop because someone took their phone out and we're thankfully that one of the operators caught someone doing that. So we were able to stay in our seats and continue our ride experience to itself. So please guys, if you have any phones with you, put it in your pocket or just get a locker too, okay? Please just follow the Busch Gardens rules. Woo! Take number 2. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Alright, looks like we're about to go.
Alright,
here we go.
Buckle the comfort collar securely, making sure nothing gets in the way.
Woo! Woo! Let's go! Woo!
Are we flying?
Here we go, here we go. Here's the test spot right here. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Yeah! What do you think in the back?